Alright, so in this one, what volume will 5.25 litres of CO at negative 30 degrees, 0.0 degrees Celsius and 750 millimeters of mercury occupy at 350 millimeters of mercury when the temperature remains constant? So you see we've got two sets of conditions, two different pressures going on here. So we're definitely looking at a P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2 type problem. So I'll go ahead and start out by setting this up, P1 V1 and T1 equals, and over here I'll have P2, V2 and T2 over here. My answer is going to be over here, so I'm going to go ahead and put my first set of conditions here, and that's the set of conditions where everything's together. You've got 5.25 litres, negative 30.0 degrees Celsius and 750 millimeters of mercury. Again, I want to highlight the importance of making sure we use the same units for P1, V1, for P1, P2, for V1, V2, and T1 and T2. We have to be able to mix and match so we can get everything to cancel. Alright, so P1, 750 millimeters of mercury, 750 millimeters of mercury. Notice there's no over water here, so I don't have to use the vapor pressure of water chart at any point here. The volume one is 5.25 litres, so I'll go ahead and put that in there, and the temperature one is negative 30.0 degrees Celsius, which I know will end up being converted to Kelvin, so we add 273 and we'll end up with 243 Kelvin as our temperature one. Alright, so all of that stuff was together, so it goes all together here as well. The new pressure is 350 millimeters of mercury. Again, you can see how the units match, so we're in good shape there. The volume we're looking for, and the temperature, the new temperature. Well, it says the temperature remains constant, so what that means is we simply use the same temperature as we have for T1. There we go. Alright, so P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. The one we're looking for is V2, so we're going to isolate that, P1 V1 T2 over T1 P2. And now we'll put everything in. P1, 750 millimeters of mercury. Notice the importance of using the units here so we can make sure everything cancels at the end to give us what we want. V1, 5.25 litres. T2, 243K. T1, 243K. And P2, 350 millimeters of mercury. Alright, so now you can see how everything's going to end up cancelling out quite nicely to leave us with litres. Alright, so it's going to be an answer of 11.3 litres. We want three significant figures here because everything here has three significant figures. So even though we might end up with 11.25 litres in our calculator, we're going to convert that to 11.3 litres, and that's going to give us our answer. So again, just summarising, we didn't need to do any over water stuff here, so there's no subtracting out the vapor pressure of water at minus 30.0 degrees Celsius, even though we don't even have that on our vapor pressure of water chart, I'm sure, so it's a good thing we weren't using that. And everything then make sure that all the units match, and then we're going to end up with the unit that we have for litres, for the volume here, which was litres, so we end up with litres down here as well.